Hi folks, Gettess here with the Market Sense for the week of March 28th, 2017. All of the charts we use in this presentation are provided to us courtesy of Gettess and their Trade Navigator software. And what we're going to see are charts that have largely been driven by lack of ability to get anything done by the U.S. government. In the bond market here, we've got what amounts to a big sideways pattern, but after a retest of the lows that just poked a little bit in reverse, they've gone back up until this week, when we were looking at an upside target right around 152 level, 153.30 roughly in there, and they seem to have held that and turned back down from there so far this week. That probably means this 149.29 area here is the likely target, and actually that could have been support if they were going to drive even higher this week, and it still might be. I mean, the fact that they went higher first is a little scary, but there's still a chance that could be support and drive them up. If that's not the case, then we would assume a move back to the mid 148 area here down at the middle moving average. Could go lower, but I kind of doubt it. I think that's probably the extent of it. Little disappointing that the government didn't get things done. I'd have loved to seen how they react had they gotten a healthcare plan. In stocks, they disliked the lack of healthcare plans so much that they were considerably lower early in the week. But we had a support target down here around 23.23, which they overshot by a bit, but then turned and went back up. Now, if this was going to remain a negative week, this resistance right here at the lower moving average around 23.46, that should have held, and it doesn't seem to be. It looks like they're moving back above that. That makes the 23.63 area here the next logical target, but not a limit. By that I mean, once they've been this low early and turned back up, they could go to 23.82 or something like that. I mean, when you have a global sell-off such as we had Friday through Sunday night, Monday in the European markets, and the U.S. opens lower Monday morning and reverses, that often is the leader for the entire globe to turn back higher, and it looks like that might be the case here. The question is just, is it enough to drive them to new all-time highs or not? And the first thing to monitor is the 23.63 area. So that's what we've got for you today. I hope you can find something